From the factory floor across the nation's highways to a shelf near you, it's a journey of precision, culminating in that perfect moment of indulgence.
It all begins with massive deliveries of raw ingredients arriving at the factory gates. Cocoa beans from tropical farms, refined sugar, milk powder, wheat flour, and rich caramel components are carefully unloaded. Nothing enters production without strict inspection. Every batch is tested, scanned, and approved. Because here, even the smallest impurity is unacceptable. Inside the roasting chambers, cocoa beans slowly rotate under controlled heat. The air fills with a deep, earthy aroma. The first secret of chocolate begins to awaken.
Temperature spiking in sector gamma. We're hitting critical. Rerouting coolant. It's stabilizing.
These nibs are crushed into a thick, dark liquid known as chocolate liquor. It's not alcohol, but a rich, velvety base that holds the soul of every chocolate bar. Next, biscuit bases are baked in long industrial ovens. Rows of golden sheets move like waves through heat tunnels. Crisp, light, and perfectly structured, they will soon carry the weight of chocolate and caramel combined. Meanwhile, in another section of the factory, something golden is being born. Sugar, butter, and glucose syrup are carefully heated in massive kettles to create Twix's signature caramel layer. It bubbles slowly, stretching like liquid gold. One wrong temperature and the texture would be ruined. Precision is everything. Then comes the most fascinating moment, assembly. Machines and robotics work in perfect harmony. A biscuit base is laid down, followed by a smooth caramel layer, then another biscuit placed on top. In seconds, the Twix structure is born. It looks simple, but behind it lies science, timing, and engineering accuracy measured in milliseconds. Each bar is sent through a waterfall of melted chocolate. It flows over every surface, wrapping the biscuit and caramel inside a glossy shell. The sound is soft, almost hypnotic, like nature meeting technology. After coating, the bars enter a freezing tunnel. Cold air locks in the shape, hardening the chocolate into a perfect finish. Then precision blades cut them into identical bars, each one exactly the same size, weight, and texture. Before leaving the factory, every Twix bar is tested. Weight checks, quality scans, and metal detection ensure perfection. Anything less is rejected instantly.
Inside the cooling tunnel, the chocolate shell rapidly stabilizes around the biscuit and caramel core.
Listen to that snap. Wow, that is so good. We should do this every week. Okay, here's your half. Wow, look at that caramel. This is so good.